In the recent past, a large application typically spanned 100,000 to 300,000 lines of code, the standard scale for most pen testers, but already pushing manual pen testing limits amid talent shortages. Now, agentic coding with tools like Claude changes the game. 2 weeks can generate over 10 million lines, an unprecedented flood where vulnerabilities hide deep and multiply fast. Traditional methods can't keep pace. Introducing TurboPentest, collaborative agentic AI pen testing that puts the power back with developers and cybersecurity pros. Deploy up to 20 specialized Paladin agents, collaborating in real time on a shared blackboard, building on each other's findings. Web, API, infrastructure, crypto or TLS, business logic, supply chain, blockchain, or smart contracts, all covered. Chat directly with agents for guidance, clarifications, or custom focus. Get full pen tests with PoCs, threat models, and tamper-proof base L2 attestations in hours, not weeks. Run it on demand or continuously from our website, right in VS Code, via Burp Pro extension, or automatically via GitHub Actions. TurboPentest augments your team, scales with the agentic code surge, and delivers collaborative security at AI speed. TurboPentest, blockchain-attested, collaborative, agentic pen testing for the AI era. Explore free today. No credit card required. Includes full demo pen test report.